So I think often meditation is really misunderstood. Right now in New York, you might be thinking, what good is it? How helpful can I be if I'm just sitting around with my eyes closed? So first of all, the suggestion is not that we only do that, but it's that we do that at some point in the day. And here's why it's so important. We know from a lot of scientific research that meditation can help to reduce stress. It can help to reduce anxiety. It can help to reduce irritability. It can also help us to improve our focus so we're less distracted, less caught up in our busy mind. In a time when we are either separated from the people we love or all living incredibly closely on top of each other, it's also useful to know that meditation has been shown to increase compassion, empathy, kindness. These are really essential tools. Yes, right now in a really difficult time, but also just in life. So my hope is that these will be tools that you can apply to what's happening right now in New York, but also long after as well. Hopefully you can build up a familiarity with these tools, these exercises, and a resilience so that when difficult things happen, again, it's not that it will stop those things from happening, but it will change your relationship with them. It allows us to have a different perspective. And in having a different perspective, we are more able to show up for ourselves, and we're better able to show up for the people we care about, the people we love, and the communities around us.